Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Balik lagi sama Tiara Eve di Align with Tiara. And then today is weekend, so I'm vibing like a weekend vibe with blue eyeshadow. It's also one of self-love. Hari ini kita bakal kupas tuntas tentang chakra that also aligns with your meditation, that also can heal you and also strengthen you. What is chakra? Chakra is actually energy centers. Energy centers tuh kayak pusat spinning wheel-nya energi yang menghubungkan kamu dengan your physical body. Kenapa chakra itu penting? Karena chakra itu sebenarnya one of the self-healing that goes to physical healing. Kalau zaman dulu, 4.000 tahun yang lalu, belum ada modern medicine. Banyakan orang zaman dulu itu sembuhin badan yang sakit atau pikiran yang kemana-mana itu lewat chakra balancing atau healing your chakra. Ada caranya juga, tapi before you heal your chakra, you have to know what is chakra and then what's the function of each chakras that located in every part of your body. So back then is very famous, dan sekarang itu lebih ke people call it like hippies, like I don't understand this, I don't think that's exists or whatsoever, but it does. Ada pengetahuannya, ada pembelajarannya, dan this famous ancient healing is actually one of the most powerful healing yang ada sebelum modern medicine. Di dalam manusia ada 7 chakra. Chakra yang pertama itu adalah root chakra, one of the most important chakra, soalnya itu menghubungkan kamu dengan Mother Earth, or you feeling stable, or you feeling grounded. Dan si root chakra ini yang terletak at the base of your spine, yang paling bawah nih, itu yang bikin pondasi dari chakra-chakra yang lainnya. Karena kalau misalnya si root chakra ini pondasinya kuat, 6 chakra yang ada di atasnya itu akan oleng. Nah, kita sekarang lagi ngomongin root chakra. The color is red, and then the essence is survival and individuality. Maksudnya survival adalah when you feeling like, aduh, gue bisa nggak ya bertahan hidup di dunia ini, kayak the feeling, the mode of surviving. Kayak, aduh, gue bisa nggak ya dapat makanan, dan nanti gue bakal ada kerjaan nggak ya di kedepannya. Kalau the more your anxiety about those survival things in your life means that your root chakra is imbalanced. When your root chakra is balanced, you feel grounded, you feel stable, you feel everything is fine, and then you'll trust more in the universe or God that they will provide everything that you need without you need to be worried about things in your life. Ada meditationnya, the color is red, and then if you see like red color is also helps to strengthen your root chakra. And then the affirmation is, I have an abundance of strength and energy. I express my individuality in a divine, perfect way. So everything is stable for me, all is well. I don't need to worry about everything. That also helps your root chakra. The second one, we're gonna talk about sacral chakra. Sacral chakra, as you can see at the picture, the color is orange. It's located under the belly button. The essence is for desire and sexuality. Biasanya kalau sacral chakra kamu imbalance, you have like over desired about things. Misalnya, you're craving for some foods, or you're craving for some sweets, you're craving for some fried. Biasanya kalau you're craving or desire about some sweet things, usually you're kind of needing like some sweet or some lovey-dovey in your life that deeper, that you feel that you lack of. And the affirmation is, I feel balanced, desire, sexuality, and self-confidence. Ini affirmation-nya ada banyak, ini cuma pas on the picture. You can also Google it up. Kamu bisa search di Google. If you think that you have that imbalanced chakra, kamu tinggal Google affirmations for sacral chakra, affirmations for root chakra. Itu banyak banget, ada keluar semua. And meditation for each chakras juga ada. And the next, we're gonna go up to solar plexus chakra. Warnanya yellow ray. Itu adanya di atas belly button. The essence is power and will. The affirmation is, I can always have the power and will achieve my goals. Biasanya solar plexus itu more about strength and power and inner strength, like inner courage, inner power, kayak kamu tuh nggak pedean atau kamu nggak berani ngelakuin sesuatu karena you think you're not powerful enough, and then you think you're not creative enough. This is also like the chakra of creativity, but you feel like lack of motivation. Aduh, gue hari ini ngapain ya? Gue harus ngerjain apa ya? Gue bingung deh, kayak gue nggak ada arah tujuan hidup di dunia ini. Terus kayak mau ngapa-ngapain kayaknya gagal, mau ngapa-ngapain kayaknya nggak semangat. Kayak setiap hari tuh dijalanin kayak nothing tulus, kayak I have no motivation. Nah, itu berarti your solar plexus chakra is imbalance. And there are a lot of affirmations, and then the color is yellow. You can also see yellow light color to make you affected by the yellow light that goes to your solar plexus chakra to make it cleansing like a spinning wheel. And then goes up to heart chakra. The color is green ray. The essence is love and compassion. The affirmation is I am loved, loving, and beloved. This is one of the most important chakra because it is located at your heart. Jantung, guys. Jantung itu satu-satunya kalau ditembak langsung mati. Kalau kamu ditembak di sini, masih bisa hidup gitu. Tapi kalau kamu ditembak di sini, you'll just die. Kamu mungkin pernah tahu kalau misalnya cerita nih beberapa, I don't know, it's like through my experience and all the stories that I have, biasanya aku sering denger cowok yang lebih sering sakit jantung. Jadi kalau cowok itu biasanya dari dulu, dari kecil diajarin untuk selalu tough. Oh, kamu tuh cowok, kamu tuh harus tough, kamu harus independen, kamu harus berani, kamu harus jadi laki, kamu nggak boleh nangis, kamu nggak boleh sedih, kamu nggak boleh kelihatan lemah, kamu nggak boleh kelihatan sakit hati. Well, actually, cowok itu mostly lebih fragile daripada cewek. They tend to be more sensitive and peka sama sekitar, tapi they just covered sometimes with walls, tembok Cina. Karena dari dulu cowok diajarin untuk jadi cowok. Padahal cowok juga manusia sama kayak kita, sama kayak all the females in the world. But the avatar is just being a man, and there's a false or wrong belief system that actually to be a man needs to be a macho man. That makes when you feel pain, for example, this is like jantung ya, jantung nih. Terus udah gitu, orang itu misalnya di betrayal, disakitin, terus udah gitu kayak ada yang sakit, terus dia nggak bisa ekspres. Kayak diputusin ceweknya, dibilang kurang laki atau kurang punya duit sama sekitarnya, terus kena lagi. Ada semua segala macam yang pain atau negative emotions yang dia carry di heart ini. Terus karena dia tahan, tiba-tiba dysfunction tuh tidak berfungsi, guys. Jadi tiba-tiba it's just this gitu loh. Nah, gimana caranya supaya nggak bikin heart ini imbalance atau dysfunction? You have to express your emotion. You have to express your feeling. Salah satunya yang bisa bikin keluarin toxic emotions itu so it doesn't go to your heart. Yang pertama, kamu bisa nangis. Kalau kamu malu nangis di depan orang, kamu bisa ke kamar, kunci pintu, terus kamu nangis ada-adanya sama bantal kamu ke bantal kayak I feel hurt. Because actually every anger is hurt. Kayak semua amarah atau revenge yang ada itu sebenarnya dasarnya adalah sakit hati atau kamu berasa disakitin. Tapi kadang-kadang kamu nggak mau berasa sakit itu, tapi kamu mau berasa tegar dan superior, jadi kamu reject itu dengan amarah gitu. And then yang kedua teriak, kamu bisa tutup pintu mobil serapet-rapetnya, kamu teriak pas lagi macet, kamu teriak seada-adanya. Atau kamu ke pantai, ke hutan yang nggak ada orang, kamu teriak, release all the emotions, so it doesn't stuck. Yang ketiga, to express, one of the most important tools is journaling. Kenapa? Karena gini, journaling itu lebih powerful kalau kamu pakai tulisan tangan kamu sendiri ya. So you can express energetically. Kalau di type, it's not that powerful as handwriting. Nah, kamu tulis di jurnal kamu all the things that bothers you. Terus udah gitu, pas udah kamu bakar. Kenapa dibakar? Karena it's to let go fully from your life or from your system. Dan juga if you have trust issue, at least you trust yourself. At least you trust your own writing. That also help you for self-confidence and getting more aligned with yourself. After heart chakra, we go up to throat chakra.